after a long time I have shooted a makeup tutorial. So today I have created this blue smoky eyes, which have become my favorite makeup look. This is the first time I have done my makeup blue smoky eyes, that too with you guys. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then let's get started. So I'm gonna start with my eyes first. For that I'm going to apply a concealer first. So I'm gonna use this concealer which is from Inside, and I have shown this in my Amazon haul, and yeah. Now I'm gonna blend my concealer using this Colourpop Beauty Blender, which again I have shown in my Amazon haul. So I'm gonna first blend under my eyes. Now I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. Okay, so I'm done with my eyes, eye base. Now I'm gonna apply eyeshadow. So before that I'm gonna take out the brushes, the eye brushes which I'm going to use.
A few moments later.
I'm using this eyeshadow palette, this one shade, just dabbing it, and now I'm gonna apply this on my crease. Now moving on to this shade, this is a light brown shade. I'm gonna take this and dab it and going to blend it on the crease again. A little bit of black shade, very little bit, and be careful while doing this one. We'll just blend it. We have a perfect crease shade now. Now I'm going to use a blue eyeshadow. So for that I'm going to use this one. This one is from 10 Image Professional, and this has two shades. So this has a very dark blue shade which looks like this, and with her side way it's a very beautiful pretty shade which is a sky blue shade. So I'm going to use this shade. I'm going to apply this on my eyelid. We'll blend it now. I'm going to take another eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna take this shade of Hilary Rhoda palette. This is 02, and we'll be using this blue shade. Now I'm gonna take a very clean brush which I haven't used before. So yeah, this is clean, and I'm going to blend this. I'm not taking any shade, I'm just blending it out. This shade and this shade, I'm mixing both of these shades and going to blend this on the crease. I have a cotton ball जिसमें मैंने गार्नियर का मिcellar water लगाया है, and I'm going to erase this. So now I'm going to do my lower lash line, and for this I'm going to use the same eyeshadow which is blue in color, and going to applying it हल्का सा यहाँ पे. Now I'm taking this blue shade again, taking this shade and this shade. Now I'm gonna do this eye, and we'll catch you guys in a bit. So I'm done with my eye makeup. Now I'm gonna remove all the fallout. The eye makeup is not complete. I have to apply mascara and everything else. So yeah, I will be applying that too. Okay, so now I'm going to do my base, and for that I'm going to use this Nivea creme, and I like using this whenever I do my makeup. This makes my base application very smooth, and so I love using this. Okay, now I'm going to use a primer, and this one is from Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. And I'm not going to apply this all over my face, only at my nose, wherever I have pimples. So yeah. Now now I'm gonna do my base, and for the base I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. And you guys know I love this foundation, and my shade is Natural Beige. Using the same concealer. Okay, now I'm going to use this Fit Me compact powder again. I'm using this with a sponge, and done with the base. And now I'm going to set this base using this makeup fixer. So I'm just shaking this and using this same beauty blender, and I'm going to actually dab this on my face. Just like this. Almost forgot doing my brows. तभी से मुझे ऐसा लगा था कुछ तो बच रहा है. So now I'm going to do my brows. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fit using a brown shade of my eyeshadow palette. I'm done with my brows too, and now I'm going to do my mascara thing. So for this I'm going to use these two mascaras. This one is the Blue Heaven Walk Free Long Lash Mascara, which I use daily on daily basis, and I love wearing this. So I'm just gonna use this one right now. This one is Maybelline Fior, the Apple Curl. This is in the waterproof form. I'm using this palette from Makeup Revolution, and my shade is C04. I'm taking this on my finger and applying this over here. Now before highlighting my rest of the face, I'm gonna use this lash curler which is from TS, and going to curl my lashes. Done. I'm completely done with my eye makeup. I'm not going to use any eyeliner or kajal because I love the way this is looking right now. Now I'm gonna use a bronzer from the same palette, and going to take this bronzer brush, just taking a little bit of it, dabbing it. Now using a clean brush, I'm going to take this brown blusher, just a very little bit of it because I don't like using this as a blush. I'm just going to apply this over here, and very little bit of this over here. I'm using this highlighter, and can you see the glow? I don't know if the camera is able to catch the highlighter, but I love using this Makeup Revolution highlighter. I use it almost like a blush, but yeah, this is how it looks like on me. Okay, so yeah, I'm done. Now it's time to apply a lipstick and complete our makeup. So I'm gonna use this NY Bay makeup lipstick. This is a very pretty nude shade, and I'm going to apply this on my lips now. I think that's all for this video. I really hope you liked the video and enjoyed watching it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that small bell icon so that every time I post a new video you get notified. And yeah, we'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.